So the first thing is you have to log in your GoWay account. Then after you log in your GoWay account, give it a minute to load. Now this is my GoWay account. This is zero account. I've not deposited inside this one. I used other broker, but you can use GoWay FX. So the first thing is you come here and download MetaTrader 4 for Windows. So it's done downloading. So you install, open. Yes. So you click next. Give it a minute to install. The installation does not take long, but depending on your service, on your connection, it does not take long. Let's give it a minute to install. So before then, let me show you all the aspects here. So here, these buttons for deposit fund. If you want to deposit, you just click the button. You can deposit with USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, AUD, and BTC. But I would advise you to deposit with BTC if you're interested in earning with BTC. So once you deposit with BTC, click the deposit here. They will send a mail. You input button to deposit your wallet, BTC, select, then you input the amount, then you click proceed. Once you click proceed, then you get a mail on your Gmail. You get a mail on your Gmail, so use the Gmail to deposit on the account. So after you've deposited, let's check. Okay, still loading. So by the way, we are going to create a GoWay demo account for this trial. So let me start with the GoWay demo account. You come here to my account, then you click create a new account. You click account type. You click GoWay MT4 ECN, that's real account. It goes with MT4 demo, then you create demo. Select currency, USD, leverage. The highest leverage here on GoWay is 500. Some brokers offer leverage up to 1000. So, but the highest broker is 500. You choose leverage 500. Balance. Balance you're interested in investing to try. So when you try $500, so create account. So the details will be sent to me on my mail. Let's wait for the account to be created. Okay, success. So please, this is success. Your new account has been created. Please check your email for login details. Remember to check junk/spam folders. So you go to your mail here. Sorry. You go to your mail here. So let me check this. Okay, still installing. So here is it. New demo account has been created. Here is your details, your account number, password, and investor password. So these are the details you'll be using to log in on the MT4 terminal. So let's come back here give it some minutes to be installed. The installation don't take long, but I think it's my internet connection that is slow. So done. Congratulations, we are waiting for you. Then you click this button, finish. So it's loading. So it will pop up. It will pop up now. It should pop up, but let me check my desktop screen. Let me look for it. Okay, let me search. Sorry, it's taking time. It's not supposed to take time like this. Um, so this is it. So I open the terminal. So terminal opened here. So this goes with terminal. It's loading. I'll give it a minute. So this is a mistake. I've installed already. Also, yes. Okay. This is goes with terminal. So we are using these three servers are for Oguzwe. Some platform use more servers. FBS have up to 10 servers. So this first server is for a demo, the second server is for a live account, this third server is also for a live account. Depending on the server they give you on your mail, that's what to use to log in to input. So we are creating a demo account, which means we are using a demo server. So I click next. So existing trade account, that's what you use. Yeah. Then go back to your mail. You copy the account number. Sorry. You paste it, the password. You paste. So you click finish. Now, to know your account is being logged in, you must come here. This place must be loading. It must be green and red. If it's not connected, then it will be fully red.
Incoming mail.
So there is new account registration, other trading button and from freelancers. That's just mailbox. So you go back here. This is a $500 account. So this is our terminal. The first thing you do here is you install all indicators. I mean the cash indicators. So let's minimize this. Minimize this. So this is the um, this is the EE over here. So you copy, then you go back to indicator file, you open your data folder to install the indicators to work very well. So you come back to MQL4. This indicator folder, then you paste. So I've pasted the indicators, and note I copied all the indicators, but one is not an indicator. This is a TPL file, which means a template file. Then I will have to cut the template file to its appropriate folder. Cut. Then you go back, then you paste it. This is the template folder. Okay, this is it pasted. So you close. So I've closed the terminal so that the installation will be done in so you refresh your PC. Then after you refreshed your PC, then you open the terminal again. Now the broker is opened, which means all indicators are installed successfully. So you check if the indicators are here already. Indicators, you look for it. Okay, cash cow bars, cash cow candles, cash cow forex signal, cash cow mail. So according to other indicators, you need to drag them on top of your chart, but this you don't need to drag them because you're already having a template file. So I will be using NASDAQ 100. I'll be trading indices. So I have to close all these charts here. Close all this. Close all this. Then your NASDAQ won't show yet. You can't see, there's no indices here. So you have to come out. Click on this market watch. Then you click show all. Once you click show all, then your NASDAQ will be appearing under it. Then you come back here, and as you can see, we have more features: energy, metal, cryptos, indices, exotic, FX major. If you wish to trade crypto, then BTC is crypto section. And if you wish to, but currently I will be trading indices. I'll be trading NAS 100, which is commonly known as NASDAQ. So I will choose the first one. So we'll choose the first one. I'll be using two charts. So indices again, I'll choose again these two charts already. So the first thing you do, this is a common chart used by all traders, but I'll be changing the chart to a new chart because I've installed the template. Then you can easily come here and load the cash cow worldwide template. I've loaded this, and second you go there, load, do the same thing. So I've loaded the template. Now you come back to this your first chart. This indicator focused mainly on M5 and M15 chart frame. So the M5 and M15 are the fastest charts for you to trade using this indicator. So I'll be using, for this first chart I'll be using M5, and for this second chart I'll be using M15. Waiting for update. Let it update. Just give it some minutes to update. Now updated. So this also is updated. So as you can see, both are updated. So we start with M5 chart frame. So this M5 chart frame, let me teach you all what you have to use this indicator. What we are focusing on is these signals over here, these bars and these two lines. But at first you have to move these your candles, all this you have to move to the current trade. Then you click and drag, drag, drag. You keep dragging, or you press your scroll button, the left, the right one on your keyboard to keep scrolling. So okay, this is the last, but actually because my PC frame is small, so I have to enlarge so that you can see the edge. So the edge is there, you can't actually see, so you reduce here. So this is what you'll be focusing on: this signal, these bars over here, and these two lines. Now if for you to know the good market, first thing you have to do is you look for a better market, a time for you to place a trade. You look for the best time for you to place a trade. So the first thing you check to know if the market is good to place a trade, the signal here is a sell signal. So let's check. This one here is a buy signal, but I think there is no market here currently. So here now it's back to the normal frame. So this is a buy signal. There's a market here, this is a buy signal, and on M5 we're having a sell signal. So the first thing you look at is the two lines here. Once your green line is above the red line, then you have to buy. You have to buy. But the signal here is to sell, which means currently you can't input the signals, you can't place these orders. So, and on your M5 chart, green is overcoming this red, which means you can let me explain that first. Let me explain the function of the three. Hey, these bars over here, this I5 and I15, this is to check if your market is good to place an order. If the green bar is higher, up to 60 or 75%, you are going to place a buy trade. And only to place a buy trade, you must have a buy signal over here. And also your green line must be on top of your red line. That's when to have a buy signal. That's when to place the buy order. So the second one, if your red here is more than this green, is like if your red here is more than this green, so and your signal here is red, and the signal here also is more than this green, the red is higher than this green, and this red over here is on top of the green line, then you place the sell order. So currently you can't actually place an order here we have a sell signal and we have a sell line here, but we can't place an order because the market is not good for you to sell now. The market is only good for you to buy, but you are not having a buy signal. So which means you have to wait for the market to reduce to buy signal to change, for this to reduce to increase, and for this to stay, and for this to be on the top. So that's how you know a good market. So let's go to the second chart here. So once you're having uh, a good market condition, then you place a new order here. So you bring it down, you change your lot size, but I would advise not to spend more than 0.05 lot size on each trade as a beginner. So after I choose a lot size, let me choose 0.03. So your stop loss there, you input the stop loss. This is a stop loss, this is sell, should be a stop loss, this number in front. So this is a take profit, this is a TP. Yeah, you'll be a take profit. So because when it's red and the market condition is to sell, which means this red has overcome, this one is red and this red is on top, which means you are going to place a sell by market order. Sell by market order. But assuming this place is blue and your bars there is green, like this one, and this signal is blue, you have a buy signal, entry buy signal, and this green line is on top. So you have to do what? You have to buy. So but currently the market, we can't actually buy for now. So let me check the second chart. So this second chart also, you move your you move all this to the front. Let me reduce so we can be faster. So we've reached the end. I have to enlarge a bit. So drag, drag, enlarge a bit more for you to see the line actually. As for me, I can actually see what's going on. So enlarge, enlarge, you bring it here. So reduce. Now you can see the green line is still on top of the red here, which is this IM15 chart. But currently we can't place a trade. There is a buy signal, but IM15 buy here, the red has overcome the green, and the green must overcome the red before we can place a trade. So this is a buy signal. The green is on top, the blue, the signal is blue, but what we're waiting for is for this to be red, to be green. Sorry, for this to be green, but the green is a little bit small. The green is 40%. So and 40% of the market, you can eventually lose your fund. So let's wait a bit. Let's check. But currently the market is low, so the green is small or something. So M5S 40, M15S 50, and 50-50%. So this 40-60, M60. So be ready to buy. But currently check your line. They have met. This is an equilibrium price. So they've met. So yeah, you see 16. A market is a bit okay for you to buy. Then you place a new order. So the new order here, this is a buy signal. Then you enter your volume. Let me use lot 3. Your stop loss. Then your stop loss is 0. Your stop loss is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your take profit here is 15. This is your take profit 15066 15066.62. So you have to buy by market, but before you place your buy by market, check the bars again, because the bars are moving up and down. So you see it's 50-50. You have to wait. You have to wait. So this is 60-40 again, but you can actually risk the trade here, but I will advise you to wait for the trade to come up to 75. So M15 is 60-40. You can place it by market. So you've placed an order. Okay, then you go back to your trade here. You check. Once your trade starts making profit, you have to close. But currently the trade is not making profit here, so you have to wait for the trade to make profit. And as you can see, M50 chart is low and M5 has increased. So you go back, but it increased, but the signal is still to sell, so you can't place an order. So you wait here and check. This you can actually check for the trade on your phone, on your MT4 mobile. Then you can check if you are good to go. So let me out the video and we continue using this whole phone. This we place the first order, but you must watch. Once it starts profiting and you are satisfied with the profit, you close. You just press the and close. So now that's how it works.